Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this, what we do is we play a random game, and I try my best to explain what I'm thinking, so maybe I can teach you a trick or two. As always, if you like this, there's a playlist in this channel. It's titled Let's Play Solitaire. There's also a playlist in this channel with tips on how to get better. My favorite two videos are right here. Let's go ahead and get started with the game, right? Okay. Looks like we've got a couple plays here. I'm going to move the aces first. I'd like to do that. I don't know why. I also like to keep the colors separate on separate sides. I don't know why I like to do that, but I just do. There's a 7 we can play right there, and we're going to go to the draw pile. Nothing. Now, typically, I like to go columns first. Sometimes I'll make an exception for that. I also like to hold earlier cards as insurance and just kind of see how it shapes out here. We will play this. It's in the back of the draw pile. Interesting, interesting. Okay. Oh, good. We've opened up 2 slots here. I think... Yeah, I think we're going to bring down this king. I think we are going to do that. Yeah, because I believe we have a jack. We saved one of the cards as insurance, I believe, so we'll still have a move. Oh, this is good. It's open right there. Again, the goal here is to try to open up as many columns as possible so we can have spots for the kings. And, yeah, just see how this develops here. We'll play all these. And I like to move as many cards from the back of the draw pile as possible, and then you be a little more conservative in the front of the draw pile. Try to save. Oh, this is awesome. We have this as an insurance card. Not going to play it yet. Though it is tempting because we can move this 8. Let's see what's behind here. A red king. Okay. Oh boy, interesting. All right. Let's not yet play that. We're gonna save that as our insurance for later. That later may come right away though. So we'll see how this goes here. Yeah, we'll just play how we see it. So we'll see how this goes. And there's no strategy that's going to work every single time. You got to kind of adapt as you play. Some strategies work better in some situations than others. So here we have an interesting spot, and I'll just highlight that in just a second here. Looks like there's no moves there. So what makes this complicated is we could play all 3 of these cards, but behind there's a couple cards we'd like to be able to play. Particularly, I think this 10 might be a valuable card. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play the 9 and the 6, and I'm not going to bring this jack down. So the next time around, here we get an ace there, right there. The next time around, we're going to be able to play this 10, and we'll be able to play this king of hearts should we want to play that. We will play this 8 and see what's under there again. Oh, no, that's not good. There's a 7 there. Oh, boy. That could be a little bit of a problem for us. If you'll notice, there's 2 black 7s here. That's going to be a problem. I may have to try to swap the 7 for the 7 just because there's so much stuff under here. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. The only other path to getting this 7 out would be to build a jack pile, black jack pile underneath this queen, and I don't see the cards there. Alternatively, well, there's no alternative really right now. I'll see if I can come up with something here. Well, if we get this ace of spades up, that might do something. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, there is a queen that we can play. We probably want to play this king of spades so we can get open up this queen column and see if there's anything there that's good. So we're not going to move anything yet. We will move the ace of spades, of course. Okay, so that gives us one option here. we've got to uncover the 7. You got to open up that column. That's going to be high on the priority list, I guess. So let's go back again and see what we have. And we have nothing. So, okay. What I want to be able to do is play this king right here. So we're going to have to move one card in front of that. That's just going to be the 10. We're not going to play this king. Yeah, we're not going to play the king. So, and that means, well, now we got 2 options actually. And because we played that 10, we either need to move 1 card or we need to move 4 cards. So the other option is we move 4 cards. So that could be 1, that could be 3 there. That would be 4. So that's another way of playing it. So we can do 1 or 4. That gives us 2 8s as an option to move, which gives us some options. But I just realized what I said here. There's no spot for this king now. So maybe that works, though, because we got 2 different 8s here. Maybe we can make it work. Let's see what the 8 of clubs does. That gets us nowhere, right? Oh, no, it doesn't. All right, let's see if this 8 works. If this 8 doesn't work, we're in trouble. Okay, fingers still crossed. Ah, that's a 9. So that way it's not working. I don't believe. Well, oh, if we could bring this 8 down, we have the 7. That 7 problem, that was one of the problems. We need to get the 7 out of the way. Let's see. I have a feeling I may be undoing a bunch of stuff and then trying to figure out. Yeah, we'll see here. Hell no, we're not dead in the water yet. We're not dead in the water. There's a few moves here. We just need to get this 8 down. So we're going to need to move 2 cards in front of there. There's card number 1, and there's card number 2. So that's kind of good because that's going to open up a lot of stuff. I think we can actually solve this. I think that's going to be a path anyway. So, okay. We got the 8 down there. There's the 7. And the real question is going to be... Oh, we might not even need to get to the real question part. Okay, so we've got an open slot for the king. We're going to play the 4 of spades and 5 of spades. And I think we're going to play hearts in tandem with spades. So I've got 2 6s here. 5 of diamonds is going to go under the 6 of clubs. And we'll do the same with the 7 of spades is going here. Now we're going to play... Oh, we're stopped. We're stopped. We would need to have 2 red 6s. We only have 1. So we can't do anything there, but I think we can get this king and queen there and maybe do a little more than that. We'll see. So king, queen go here. Here's the 2 of clubs. That's very good. I think we got this game. I think we got it. But you never know. Let's see. There's the 3 of clubs. There's the 10, 4 of diamonds, and we solve it. So, maybe we'll get that one done. These ones are a little complicated. They're always a little different in how you play. I think if you're playing really, really, really good, you can probably do like... Well, I mean, this is my percentage over 5,600 games. If you were a computer and you could do infinite calculations, I think you could probably get like 70 to 80%. Or at least that's what I read on Wikipedia. So anyway, that's going to wrap this up. If you like this type of thing, there's a playlist on the channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. And as I've said earlier, there's also a playlist on the channel with all kinds of tips and stuff. That may be able to help you get better and stuff. My favorite 2 videos in there are How to Win at Solitaire and Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. Be sure to check those out if you have not already. They're the best stuff I can put together. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.